qualifying today at the Jim Kemp Memorial. We have something special planned. I hope I can get my mom to film it. If not, then I will do my best to do so. But we are bowling 8 games. We have 5 a pair. I feel like I needed more pin down balls, but I don't know, man. We'll throw some bowling balls and see what's up. It'll be okay. We'll be nice and primed, and yeah, I don't even know, man. I'm just here to have fun.
You guys invited us out here because of how close we are to you and how close we are to Jim. So you have a new jersey to wear today that Ryan took the liberty of making.
So just to show everybody, here's the front. I put pictures of Jim and the family on the front. And then everybody, we all have the same jerseys, and everybody has Jim's last name. So just wanted to tell you how much we love you. And
yeah, but you're not the only one that's going to be wearing this jersey. Thank you guys very much. Everyone here.
Two-game update. I'm 100 and I don't even know 5 over. I just bowled 230. Scores were super high. I made a really bad one first ball in the 10th. Picked up a 4-9 and stoned a 9. Other than that, I didn't miss. It's not a great game. I think it's just gonna come down to hits today. Oh, okay, yeah. We just gotta keep making sure we're in the right ball and keep hitting the pocket and make good shots. I feel like I'm throwing a lot better than last weekend, so that's a big positive. games, 170 something over. I kind of know where I stand now. The standings are right in front of my face, which I don't like, but I guess we're doing okay. Kind of struggled that game. I 4-9 and 4 back-to-back. It took me a little bit to figure that out, but scores are coming down, and I feel like I'm grinding. I guess if 220s are back in, we're okay. Well, 7 games, 1 to go. We're struggling a little bit. We're gonna need a big one here. I think I'm around the number. So just gonna try to hit the pocket 12 times and we'll see what happens. We're just grinding right now. Scores are slowed down in the D-Tang camp a ton. Here we go! Okay, we made the cut. Borgie made the cut too. Nice.
I'm a cut maker.
Yeah, we're cut makers. It was not a fun time. Well, the last 5 games at least. But, I mean, we made it, so we're bowling. And now we're bowling the Pro-Am. More fun. And
3 more games of fun.
more fun, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Believe that we are out here at the lanes today for the Jim Kent Memorial Classic. Right now we're in the Pro-Am section. Here you see the Tang brothers about to drop some in the pit. Here we go. What do you say? Look at that beautiful shot. And the killer stance. He's letting you know what's up now, folks.
Twitch.tv/Vitamin D Tang.
You already know where to go.
Hi everyone! Make sure you guys subscribe.
Yeah, definitely subscribe. Alright. And hit the like button.
Okay! Can I give a shout out for my
And
YouTube
that's a
channel?
wrap.
Go for it.
Okay, so my YouTube channel is Strange Racing Bros. You should check him out. And yeah, like his channel and subscribe because he's the best bull.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, check it out! All right, fun Pro-Am. Actually, it was really fun. But tomorrow we come back for 12 games of match play, and we're gonna be chasing down some big names. Got a lot of guys out here from all over the country. EJ, Ronnie, AJ, you know the business. You saw yesterday's vlog, then you know, or you guys saw earlier. Yeah, no idea what place we're in, but a lot of bonus pins, so you never know. Last weekend we got a lot of wins, we got pretty close, so hopefully we can pull it off tomorrow. But until then, We'll see you next time.